Hi guys, this is a short video on how to calibrate your VIVITAR SKEYEVIEW video drone. Um, First, before you start, I want to let you know that calibrating your drone should be done outside, not inside. I'm doing it inside the house right now because this is a controlled space, a controlled environment um, that has been prepared specifically for this purpose. But when calibrating it, it is always good to it is recommended rather that you do it outside. Okay, to calibrate this drone, firstly you make sure that the drone is turned on, and when that is on, put it on a flat surface as you can see, and then you turn your remote control on. Once your remote control is on, you need to link the drone to the remote control, and you link the drone to the remote control by pushing your left throttle all the way up and all the way down. You see that the blinking lights underneath are now solid. And to calibrate your aircraft compass, what you do is you push this calibration key that is on the right side, outer side right here. Sorry about the beeping, my battery is about to die, that's why, so I'll just have to hurry up and do this quickly. Once you push this calibration, you see that the lights underneath are now blinking. So you have to rotate it clockwise several times until the front lights turn solid red. Okay, and after that, you hold it up straight and then rotate it several times. And once you do that, you have to calibrate your drone's internal gyroscope, and the way you do that is by holding both throttle buttons and pushing it away towards you to the left, like that. And once you do that, you see that the lights are all solid red and green. That shows that the drone is linked to has been synchronized to your remote control, and also that you can now fly on GPS mode. So that is a short video on how to calibrate your VIVITAR SKEYEVIEW. Just three basic steps. Turn it on by pushing, turn both the drone on and the remote control. Push the right throttle up and down to link both of them, and press your outermost right button, and that is to calibrate the aircraft compass, and then turn it clockwise several times until the lights turn solid red. And then after that, you have to calibrate the drone's internal gyroscope, which is just to hold the two throttles, push it towards you to the left side, and then you're good to go. So I'll see you outside in a short while on my next video for a quick test flight, the first test flight. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.